So we are Quantum Computing Inc., and we have a little bit different view on quantum itself. So we believe that quantum value should be available to all users. And that's why our Catalyst ready to run quantum optimization software requires no quantum programming, no quantum algorithm development, no coding for hardware, et cetera. Users simply submit computations via the cloud to a variety of quantum computers as well as quantum ready classical systems and solve them. Now with Catalyst, a user, an application or a workflow submits a computation via 6 functional API calls. And by the way, the same computation, same API format is used for any of the quantum machines or classical. There's no need for recoding. Now, once that is submitted, Catalyst transforms that into a QUBO. And oh, by the way, if you have graph analytics problems, such as community detection, we do the same thing. We transform those. And then they're submitted to the Catalyst core, where a variety of classical and quantum algorithms and methods are applied based on the specific computation. It's then submitted into the specific machines that you've targeted, whether they be quantum, classical, or both, and the computations begin. Now, as the iteration happens, the Catalyst core collects those, and when the computations are finalized, it analyzes those and delivers the best diversity of results back to the submitter. We also have control, which is a set of services that allow you to track and monitor the submission, and also it provides an admin portal. Now, you know the old adage of a picture paints 1,000 words. Here's 1,000 words. On the left, you see the SDK code that you have to write for a multi-constraint optimization, and I believe this was 4 constraints. On the right, you see the Catalyst submission. Right. And I think it was brought home to me when I first joined the company, when one of our partners, who's a theoretical PhD in physics, and he had worked now in 6 years in application development quantum, he told me that it took him 8 months with a popular SDK to determine how to write the right program. He solved the same computation on Catalyst within 2 days of receiving the software. So I think there's the evidence that we remove the complexity so that people can move forward with quantum exploration. Now, speaking of quantum exploration, we developed our QCI Consulting Path to Quantum framework because of feedback from some of our users that said they wanted a more methodology-driven approach. Even though they were having fun running toy problems on QPUs, they wanted something that was more business focused. So this is our consulting approach. And today, QCI consultants leverage the power of Catalyst to take customers through this while accelerating their quantum exploration with a much lower investment. We help them with things like identifying the best possible quantum possible applications, prioritizing them, identifying the variety of QPUs that they need to test. We then model those problems, optimize those problems, and test them across a variety of QPUs in hybrid, in quantum ready classical, as well as pure quantum. And then we deliver results and insights that help them understand where they are today, what they need to prepare for, what their journey is, and their best path to quantum value and opportunities. And this cycle is repetitive because you're constantly taking new quantum possible applications, new approaches, updating, et cetera. So this is how we deliver our consulting. All right. Now, we work in markets, as you would expect, where quantum optimization and community detection offer valuable insights to our customers. So let's talk about those applications, okay? So obviously, supply chain optimization and risk assessment, as well as logistics optimization, have become top of mind. Risk assessment and supply chain, especially due to some of the COVID implications. In financial services, we work with fraud detection for everything from money laundering to financial to credit cards, et cetera, and fraud. We also are optimizing underwriting services for insurance companies. In oil and gas, we do optimization for pipelines, for water, for logistics optimization. One of my favorite applications is we're actually helping to optimize the placement of wind turbines in new wind turbine fields so that they deliver the best possible power for the lowest cost. And here's a little thing I didn't know. 2-inch difference in the placement of a wind turbine can impact the delivery of its power and its cost by 30%. 2 inches. So that's a really, really technical and detailed optimization. Now, obviously, we also work with the government, right, in a variety of ways, some of which I'd have to kill you if I told you. So we believe that we all need to work together to build the credibility for the value of quantum in the marketplace. And that's why we want to hear your stories. because the more we share our stories and bring value to the market and show real world scenarios, the better quantum is going to be in the marketplace. So we want to learn how to find ways to work together with you. So we're always open to a conversation. If you're interested, reach out, and we'd love to chat with you. Thanks a lot.